Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today, we're taking a luxurious ride into the future while honoring one of America's most iconic classics. Introducing the 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V revival that fuses timeless elegance with cutting-edge innovation. If you're a fan of automotive heritage, bold design, and smooth performance, this grand tourer is about to steal your attention. Let's dive into what makes the all-new Continental Mark V a true modern classic. Body panels. The body of the 2026 Mark V is a masterpiece of sculpted luxury. Long, low, and wide, it echoes the signature profile of the original with sleek, modern updates. Crafted with lightweight aluminum and reinforced composites, the panels help reduce overall weight without compromising structural integrity. Subtle chrome accents along the beltline and lower doors enhance the premium look, while flush-mounted door handles add to the sleekness and aerodynamic efficiency. Headlights. Up front, the Continental boasts ultra-slim matrix LED headlights that are both functional and dramatic. They adapt automatically to road conditions and offer dynamic bending capability around curves. A soft, sequential welcome animation activates when you approach the car, adding a personalized luxury touch before you even open the door. Taillights. In the rear, you'll find a stunning full-width LED taillight bar, paying homage to the original Mark V's bold light design. The lights pulse when braking and feature a customizable lighting signature for owners who want to make a statement even at a standstill. Integrated into the bumper are hidden exhaust outlets and subtle vertical fins for a clean, futuristic rear profile. Grille. The front grille is unmistakably Lincoln, massive, bold, and elegant. Finished in satin chrome with an illuminated Lincoln emblem at the center, the grille doubles as a functional intake with active shutters that adjust to optimize airflow and improve fuel efficiency. It's not just a fascia, it's a statement of luxury and performance. Seats. Inside, the Continental Mark V pampers every occupant with 30-way perfect position seats, upholstered in rich bridge of wear leather. Both front and rear passengers enjoy heating, cooling, and massage functions, with memory settings that adjust not only the seat but also the climate and audio preferences. Rear seats even recline because in this car, every seat is first class. Dashboard. The dashboard blends vintage-inspired lines with modern minimalism. Finished in a mix of leather, open-pore wood, and brushed metal, it stretches wide across the cabin, creating an open and airy feel. The digital gauge cluster is a crisp 12.3-inch display, offering customizable themes, including a classic Mark V mode that mimics the original analog dials. Infotainment system. At the center sits a 15.5-inch portrait touchscreen powered by Lincoln's next-gen Sync 6 system. It's intuitive, fast, and supports over-the-air updates. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and integrated Alexa make for a tech-savvy experience. Audiophiles will love the Revel Ultima 3D audio system, with 20 speakers strategically placed to immerse you in concert-quality sound. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is a blend of old-school charm and modern functionality. Wrapped in leather with wood inlays, it features haptic feedback controls and a customizable button layout. The flat-bottom design offers better legroom while hinting at the performance potential beneath the surface. Engine. Powering the Mark V is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6. Delivering 450 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque. It's paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive. The ride is balanced and composed, thanks to Lincoln's adaptive suspension system that constantly reads the road and adjusts in real time to ensure a cloud-like driving experience. Hybrid option. For those seeking greener luxury, The Mark V also comes in a plug-in hybrid variant. It combines a 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine with an electric motor for a total system output of 375 horsepower. With an all-electric range of up to 45 miles, it's perfect for short city commutes without sacrificing the long-distance capability and quiet comfort that defines the Continental experience. Airbags. When it comes to safety, Lincoln leaves no stone unturned. The 2026 Mark V features a comprehensive suite of 12 airbags, including dual front, side impact, curtain, knee, and rear passenger airbags. Advanced crash sensors and structural reinforcements ensure top-tier protection in every seat. Parking assist. Navigating this full-size luxury sedan is effortless thanks to Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 It includes a 360-degree camera system, automatic parking assist, reverse brake assist, and enhanced park-out capability. Whether it's tight city spaces or multi-level garages, the Mark V handles it all like a pro with almost no effort from the driver. Price. Now, let's talk price. The base 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V starts at around $82,000. The plug-in hybrid variant begins at $88,000, while fully loaded black label editions with all the luxury trimmings can reach $100,000 plus. It's a premium investment, but one that offers unmatched refinement, performance, and presence on the road. Ending note. And there you have an in-depth look at the 2026 Lincoln Continental Mark V. It's more than a car, it's a rolling tribute to American luxury, re-engineered for the modern world. With its jaw-dropping design, innovative tech, and opulent interior, the Mark V proves that elegance and performance can coexist beautifully. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more luxury car reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below, would you go with the V6 or the hybrid? Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive smooth and stay classy.